Hey there folks, it's Yaken here from Training Ground. Alright, so OnePlus Malaysia has just sent this amazing box over and they want me to do an unboxing and show you the device. Okay, so come on, let's check out what are they actually sending over. Let me take it out from the paper bag. Whoa, what is this? This is cool. Alright, so let's take it out. Let's take it out. Whoa, this is the OnePlus 11 and the OnePlus Buds Pro 2. Okay, so OnePlus has just told us we can only show you the device. I cannot turn it on, I cannot show you the other things and so on. And even bottom here, there's actually some documents related on the February 7 launch. Okay, that I will show you in the full review video. What are they actually showing about? But I'm gonna keep this back in here and focus back to the devices here. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to just unbox the phone. For this guy here, the OnePlus Buds Pro 2, I'm gonna do a separate video, shall we? Okay, so we are done. We're going to take out the phone and take away the box first. Take away the box and come back to the device here. So as you can see, it's still in a sealed unit. Okay, so I'm getting the 16 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of internal storage variant over here. Yeah, it's amazing. Okay, found my cutter. So let's unbox it, shall we? Whoa, this is nice. Never settle. Perhaps we just check out what are they actually providing inside here. Okay, so you have some manual guides. I have to pull this out. Okay, let me just show you guys. Yeah, there are some OnePlus stickers as well. Nice. Okay, not gonna show you guys all the paperwork. I know you guys are more interested on the device itself. Okay, so let me take this out first and put it one side and continue to look what actually they are actually providing inside the packaging as well. Now we are provided with the 100-watt superwood charger as well. So because we are staying in Malaysia, we are getting the 3-pin version, and pairing along with that, we still get the proprietary cable by OnePlus. Okay, in order to maximize the usage of the 100-watt superwood charger. Now let's take the phone out. It's time to unwrap it. You guys ready? Wow. Whoa. Now that is a premium flagship smartphone. Look at that. Gorgeous green. Man, the build quality. If you are telling me this is costing around maybe 1000 USD, yeah, I do believe that. Superb build quality. You still have the alert slider this time. Okay, power button on the right hand side, volume on the left hand side. Wow, nice. And definitely this year the OnePlus 11 has a new camera bump design. So look at that, it's gorgeous, man. So what do you think of this new eternal green color? I think it's absolutely gorgeous, lovely as well. Alright guys, so basically that's the unboxing. I can show you right now. I can't fire up for you guys to watch how is the OS works and so on, but do stay tuned, okay? And full review video will be coming up on the 7th February. Alright, so do stay tuned on our official YouTube channel. I'm Yaken here. I'm gonna sign out. Please, if you want to continue watching this content, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're still new, and also the notification bell. And drop some comments. Maybe I can test out something that you guys want me to test out for this phone. And also, as usual, like and share it out. Follow us on social media. See you guys on the next video.